Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the latest U.S. Consumer Price Index data for January 2025, and let me tell you, it's hotter than a jalapeno in July. So grab your coffee, and let's break this down. So what's the big news? The CPI increased by 0.5% month over month, and the core CPI rose by 0.4%. This is raising eyebrows across Wall Street, and rightly so. Evercore ISI called it much hotter than expected. But what does that really mean for you and me? Are we facing a new wave of inflationary pressures? And what about those rising costs in areas like medical expenses, auto insurance, airline fares, food, and used cars? Is this just the beginning of a trend, or can we expect a cooling off soon? Wells Fargo pointed out that while inflation progress seems stalled, they believe seasonal factors may be playing a role. Residual seasonality. What does that even mean? Is it just a fancy term for a tricky month? And let's not forget about shelter prices, those pesky costs that just won't budge. Are we really going to see a repeat of these increases next month, or is this just a blip on the radar? Now here's where it gets interesting. D.A. Davidson is raising concerns that a strong economy might make it tougher for the Fed to lower rates, even with political pressure mounting. So what's the Fed's play here? Are they going to stick to their guns, or will they cave under pressure? And with 10-year Treasury yields hitting their highest levels in weeks, could we be looking at a volatile market ahead? On a more optimistic note, CD believes that while the CPI is strong, core PCE inflation might remain softer. They're projecting only a slight increase in January. But can we trust their predictions? Are they seeing something the rest of us aren't? And Morgan Stanley thinks we're in for an extended Fed pause, with only one rate cut in 2025. Is that a sigh of relief or just a temporary fix? So, what do you think? Are we heading into a new inflationary era, or is this just a temporary spike? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Until next time, keep your wallets ready and your mind sharp.